In this video, we will go through the complete process of creating a Spocket account for dropshipping. Spocket is one of the most convenient platforms for finding and selling high-quality products from suppliers around the world, and having an account is the very first step to start using it. First, open the Spocket website and look for the section where you can register. Choose the option to create a free account. Then select Continue with Google to make the sign-up process fast and simple. When the Google window appears, choose the Google account you want to use with Spocket. Once selected, Spocket will automatically connect and prepare your new dashboard. After your account is created, you will be able to explore available products immediately. If you already have some selected products in your list, you can start managing or even paying for them directly from your dashboard. It is also possible to update your account information, such as your password or name in the profile section. Enter your name in the name field and create a secure password that you can easily remember. Once everything is filled out, you can log in at any time using your Google account or your email and password. The registration is now complete, and you can start exploring the Spocket marketplace to find products for your dropshipping store. This simple process helps you set up everything quickly so you can focus on growing your business. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.